I wanted to show you that if you want to remove something like, let's say you don't want the username as an option, okay, so I want to show you this. And how you can get to this is if you click this, whatever the name of your project is, click the gear icon, you will be shown a page. In that page, go to the user authentication option and click on this. And if it's something like Google or Facebook or GitHub or whatever you're using as a sign-in or sign up, you can change those options here. But I want to change the username. I want to toggle that off. So just go here, toggle this off. You'll be given this notification here. Just click save. And there you go. And now if I go refresh this page, as you can see, I don't have the username option anymore. So I hope you like this tutorial. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.